Epic indeed. Now, Arnett Gardens coach Jerome Waite says a move to include more young players will not result in a shift from the team's playing style ahead of the new season. Renata Brown reports.
After struggling to make the top 6 last season, Arnett Gardens will be looking to start the new campaign on the front foot. And the Jerome Waite coach team is hoping to do it with young players.
Well, presently we're targeting about 37% of players under 21. And the age range is from 18 to 21, and that should be a good mixture, with the seniors. But I still believe we have players that can go all the way. But it will be a work in progress, and it will call for, a lot of work.
The team will be void of defenders Ramiki Anderson and Jabor Johnson, who were given marching orders at the end of last season.
We are one of the teams that score the most goals, but we always give up too much. So that is one area we plan to, see how best we can, turn that around in the defensive area and continue to do well offensively. But the nucleus of players that, we see turn up for this season, we have seen, youngsters with talent, and it will be a work in progress for those youngsters to represent Arnett.
The 5-time Premier League winners have also acquired left-sided player Patrick Brown from UWIFC.
Because just certain circumstance, just need to establish myself more to the world. And I think Arnett is the right place for that.
The club has also completed the transfer of central defender Dina Shaft from UWI. Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.